Hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know a lot of people still asleep, but I get up early, about 5 o'clock in the morning. I have to get this thing popped off real early. But today's video, I want to talk to a lot of people that still working a job and want to do their business part-time. You know, I've had a lot of conversation with people, and I always tell them, look, there's nothing wrong with working a job that's going to pay your bills for now. But work your business when you get off. Let's say you get off at 5 o'clock. Even if you do from 6 to 8, that's 2 hours that you put forth towards your business, because it's going to take time. Nothing is overnight, but you have to be consistent with everything you do, even when you don't feel like it. And I'll admit it, y'all, it's a lot of times I don't feel like it, but I do it anyway because I know I have a goal. And once you got your goals, another thing, I always look at them every day and see where, okay, today, did I accomplish my goal, or I need to work on it? And don't get discouraged, because everything is a work in progress. So just keep doing it, keep being consistent. And if you know somebody that's looking for something they can do around their schedule that's automated, tell them go to www.enjoymylife.info, because we should be enjoying our lives, y'all. It's 2023. What y'all doing? Hey, let's get it. This is Booker Williams. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and y'all let me know, because I'm here to help. This is Booker Williams. Y'all be great. And I'm gonna finish. Look how, come on, man. Y'all in the bed? Get out that bed. Hey, this is Booker Williams. Y'all be great. God bless.